In this video, I'm going to go over how to calculate the average for your data. Imagine if you had to add each one of these rows up. There are 10 flight values for distance in each row, and then you had to divide by 10. So imagine if you had to do that with a paper piece of paper and a pencil. That would take a long time to do this entire sheet because you have to add each row up and then divide by 10. So, you're looking at 240 some rows of data to add and then divide. That's going to take a long time. Well, there's a lot faster way. So we're going to work smarter, not harder. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. So we're going to click into this cell right here, which is in row 2, and it's right below our mean or average. And we're going to type in equals and then A and V. And now that you see this menu, very important, okay? You're going to click on average. Make sure you click on just average, okay? So we click average. Now we're going to take our mouse. We're going to move over to flight 1 because we want to include flight 1 through 10 in our average. So I'm going to left click. I'm going to hold the click down, not unclicking until I have all of my data selected. So I just select it here. And then when I get through flight 10, I unclick and I press the enter key on my keyboard. And just like that, I've calculated the average. Now, let's say that we wanted to increase the decimal place to 2 positions. So you could come up here and you can increase the decimal place however many times you click on it, or you can decrease it. So I'm going to leave mine set to 1 position to the right of the decimal, or just to my tenths. So now that you have it calculated, this is where the ease of doing this in a spreadsheet becomes very evident. All you have to do is left click on this little dot here, or this little square in the lower right hand corner. You're going to left click, hold down your click, and drag this the entire distance of your spreadsheet. So there we have it. We have our data. Notice our totals are giving us some errors, but that's going to be worked out later. So that is how you calculate average using a spreadsheet.